Chevys is good on the eyes. It's more than a hood thing. It's about that Chevy love, man. I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit, cause I'm a Chevy addict. Yeah, man. Do what you love, and love what you do. If it's more than a habit, be a Chevy addict, ain't it, man?
YouTube, what's up YouTube? This your boy, Chevy Addict, with another video. Alright y'all, this is another small little video, but I'm gonna make it kind of long, y'all. So, let me tell you something, y'all. When I get something for my car, man, I get something for my car. Just know that. So, a while back, y'all know that I did, well, not I did, the swap man removed my old engine out, my truck, my old transmission. He basically gutted everything out that truck. And I told him I wanted to put this part I'm about to unbox on my car. So like I said before, I wanted this, I had this already, but talking to my swap man, he said I don't need it. So I went out now and bought me another one, y'all. So that being said, y'all, let's go ahead with this unboxing, man. So I bought this right here, came very quick. I bought this, what, yesterday, I'm sorry, Wednesday? No, I'm sorry. I bought this Monday, and I already got here. So, which I know it's gonna come fast anyway, cause that's how Amazon ships stuff. So, I bought, like I said before, I bought this. You know, I didn't want to buy it again, but I wanted it in my car. But I see a lot of people running this, so I went with my own. Let me give me something to sit down and be right back, y'all. Yeah, y'all, I'm back, y'all. I wanted this for a long time, man. I know y'all probably can't hardly see me. Let me cut this light on. Let me cut this light on. Bring y'all a little closer to the package. All right, I'm back, y'all. So like I said, I wanted this for a long time. So I finally got me another one. I'm still dark, so I got this right here. I told my swap man to keep everything off my old setup. You know what I mean, for this old school, man. I wanted to keep everything, the fuel box. I wanted to keep the stuff I don't have to buy again. But look at me now, I'm buying stuff again. So that being said, y'all, this right here could be a short and to the point video. So It's not a bash in the Swamp Man video, but this is right here telling you, this is telling you that I bought me another part for my project. So I got some more parts coming, y'all. So get tuned in. Stay tuned in and get crunk for your boy, man. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Leave me a nice little comment in the chat, y'all. Please do that. In the comment section below, man. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, man, subscribe, man. Your boy almost on 4K, y'all. So help me out. All right, that being said, let's go ahead and open this up right now. So let's show y'all what I got so far. Y'all see it. Y'all, let me take my name off for it. Y'all gonna see. Y'all see it. Yeah. You see it. Let me leave it right there. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all know what this is? This is a transmission oil cooler. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you what's in the box. I'm gonna keep all my stuff together. Came in like a pizza box, y'all. All right, I'm gonna cut you back off and cut you back on so I can show you what's in the box, y'all. All right, y'all, we inside the package I just unboxed. All right, y'all. Once again, this your boy Chevy Addict, y'all, with another video. All right, with part 2 to this video. This is how the pieces came with these rubber holes right here. Like it been cut right here, you can tell. It's been cut right here. Got this little pamphlet with it. And the star of the show is right here, the transmission cooler. So I'm getting all the stuff I need, y'all. All the stuff I need. See it? Got my transmission cooler right here. All the bracing, the end pieces, the bracket to hold it to the wherever we can put it at. That been nice little addition to my setup, y'all. So, like I said, this thing cost me like what? $49, man, on Amazon. So it's going behind here, y'all know. It's going behind here, behind my radiator. So y'all know where that's where it's going. So got me a transmission cooler. Yes sir. So let's get this party started, y'all. So more parts coming soon, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on when they come in, y'all. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Like I said, your boy I'm over at 4K, y'all. So help your boy out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Tell y'all friends to subscribe to my channel, man. And join the live stream Monday through Sunday, y'all. Sunday through Monday. How you gonna see it, man? I go live 7 days a week, 24/7. Y'all stop by, show love, subscribe to the channel, join the family. We gone, y'all. Peace.
The whole world better recognize Chevy's is good on the eyes. It's more than a hood thing. It's about that Chevy love, man. I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit, cause I'm a Chevy.